Okay, we're inside Landwer. I'm trying to pronounce it. I know it's probably easy, but you know. But we are here, Landwer. Landwer's menu here on Front Street, and they are famous. They have a famous Schnitzel, so of course I love my Schnitzel. I'm gonna try their entree Schnitzel. $20, $20.95. Comes with fries. And I'm gonna have a glass of Prosecco, and it's $10 here, so that's good to know. I'm always looking for a reasonably priced glass of Prosecco. And I'll have a glass of Prosecco.
Prosecco, sure.
Awesome. Very excited. Thank you very much.
It's Schnitzel with fries and one Prosecco. Yeah,
And
one Prosecco and one famous Schnitzel with fries. Is that
yeah,
okay?
a glass of Prosecco,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
And then, yeah, got it. Thank you. All right, here's my Schnitzel with fries. They do give you the ketchup, but I said no. Turn this ketchup into mayo. I love my mayo. So look at the piece, $20.95. I think that's a good, good price for this. Let's see how it tastes. And then you got the fries underneath. Ooh. All right. I won't be eating the whole thing. I don't know. I don't think so, but we'll see. Normally I can't finish the whole Schnitzel, but so in that case I'm gonna just squeeze the lemon on one side. I'm not gonna put any salt and pepper, or maybe pepper. And then if I wanna add salt, I will add salt. Let's at least cut this in half. Is this pork? I can't remember, I didn't read. I don't know if it's pork or chicken. It doesn't say. I'm gonna ask. I'll know. It looks like chicken. I think it's chicken. I do like my mayo on the Schnitzel. So it is chicken and it's yummy, juicy. There we go. Very good. Been wanting to try their Schnitzel for a long time. So, my first time here, first time trying their schnitzel, and it's 5 out of 5. So, make sure you come here. Landwer's on Front Street. This cafe, it's actually Cafe Landwer. So, I'll be back for sure. I'll try some other things. So good. Very good. Let's look at this. So, it's pound down, thin enough. So take your bite and head on over here and try their schnitzel. Very good.